Good morning students, welcome to Path Online Tutorials. We are doing chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. Till now we have learned 6 trigonometric ratios. How to find these trigonometric ratios in terms of sides of a right triangle. Now today we will find trigonometric ratios of some specific angles like 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Let us start with 45 degree. How to find sin 45, cos 45, tan 45, cosecant 45, secant 45 and cot 45. In order to find sin 45, let us draw a triangle which is a right angle triangle and in which one angle is of 45 degree. This is triangle ABC, right angle at B, angle C is of 45 degree. Do you observe, if in a right triangle one acute angle is of 45 degree, then other acute angle is also of 45 degree. So we can say that a triangle ABC is an isosceles right triangle. So if triangle ABC is isosceles right triangle, then AB is equal to BC. Suppose हम AB is equal to BC को K assume कर लेते हैं. AB K है, BC भी K है. And in order to find sin 45 degree, we know that sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. We will have to find hypotenuse AC. So AC is equal to square root of K square plus K square is equal to square root 2K square is equal to square root 2 into K. In this way, in this right triangle, AB is K, BC is equal to K and AC is equal to root 2K. So if I want to find sin 45, I am taking this 45. If I am taking angle C, then the opposite side is perpendicular. Let us start with sin 45. Sin 45 degree is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular here is AB and hypotenuse is AC. AB is K and AC is root 2K is equal to 1 upon root 2. So the value of sin 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2. Now let us find cos 45 degree is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base here is BC upon hypotenuse AC. BC is K and AC is root 2K. So this is equal to 1 upon root 2. So in this way we have found value of sin 45 and cos 45, and surprisingly values of sin 45 and cos 45 are equal and are equal to 1 upon root 2. Now let us find tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular here is AB and base is BC. So it is equal to K upon K is equal to 1. Now cosecant 45 degree. Cosecant 45 degree is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse is root 2K and perpendicular is K is equal to root 2. Secant 45 degree is equal to hypotenuse upon base is equal to root 2K upon K is equal to root 2. and cot 45 degree is equal to base upon perpendicular is equal to k upon k is equal to 1. So here we can easily notice that the values of cosecant 45 and secant 45 equal. The values of sin 45 and cos 45 equal. And the values of tan 45 and cot 45 are equal. So in this way, after drawing an isosceles right triangle, we have found the values of T ratios of 45 degree.